Welcome to my video about the bar right increase and how to do the bar right increase. This is the mirror increase to the knit one front back increase, which is also known as bar increase. So I wasn't able to find a good video on the internet, so I decided to make my own. Now why it's called the bar increase is because you can see on the increase stitch there's this little bar that goes in front. And the bar right increase has the increase stitch on the right of the stitch that doesn't have the bar. The knit one front back increase, which you can see over here, this was the increase stitch here, and the bar is on the left of the stitch that was increased. So this is how you do it. I'm going to knit this stitch because I want my stitches for the bar right increase. I want the column to line up here that doesn't have the bar. So to make this increase, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to slip the stitch to be increased off the needle knitwise and then slip it directly back onto the left needle. And you're going to knit into the front leg of the stitch and take it off the needle. Then you take your left needle and put it into the front of the stitch below the one you just made, and pull it back up to make its own stitch, and then you're going to knit into the back leg of that stitch and pull it off the needle. So now we have increased into this stitch, and as you can see, it's made this little bar on the right side of the two stitches. I'm going to show you that again. I'm going to increase this stitch here. Okay, so first of all, you slip the stitch knitwise, put it back on the left needle, knit into the front leg of that stitch. And now, instead of actually pulling it all the way off the stitch to save time with my motion, I actually usually just bring my left needle right down into the front leg of the stitch that I need to pick up. Just so you can see how I did that again. This was the one that was coming off the needle. I just actually, at the same time, picked up that front leg that I need to pick up. Then you knit into the back leg of that stitch and pull it off the needle. Okay, I just want to show you what these two increases look like when you use them in a pattern. One common place you would increase using the left leaning or the right leaning bar increase would be on the either side of a mitten gusset for the thumb gusset. There are other places you would use it. I chose to use it in my new pattern called Jill and the Bean Socks to create mirrored twists in this texture pattern that they're opposite on the two socks. So on the left sock, I use the knit one front back increase on each of these little curves. I don't know if you can see, let's find maybe on the red and the orange. You can see that I've used the little bar increase, so there's a left leaning bar increase on each of these stitches. So this column continues up nicely, but it's created these new stitches that become part of this new curve, and that continues around and around the sock. On the right sock, use the right leaning bar increase to do exactly the same thing. We've got the bar on the right side of the increased stitches, and it creates the new stitches that go into the next curve. And that's one way you can use the bar increases to create textural designs. Thank you for watching my video.